Hello everyone. In this session, we will study the active current mirrors. Now see this circuit. This circuit consists of two transistors with a current source I1. Since it is a mirror arrangement, the same current whatever is flowing through this transistor will flow through the transistor M4. From the small signal point of view, if this current increases by delta I, so does the current through the transistor M4. Now, this M1 and M2 are the differential pair transistors. This circuit acts as a load for this arrangement. So, this current source is acting as a load for this differential pair circuit. And ISS is nothing but it is the tail current of the circuit. Now for this particular circuit, we will derive what is the small signal voltage gain. The active current mirrors. Let us see what is the small signal gain. Small signal gain AB. Assuming gamma equal to 0 for simplicity, we have gain is given as Gm into R out. The transconductance multiplied by R out. From this particular figure, from figure B, we have Gm is equal to I out divided by V in. This current divided by the voltage. Let us mark this as equation number 1. But I out is given as Gm1 into V in by 2. From equation 1, Gm is equal to I out is Gm1 into V in by 2 divided by V in, which will give you Gm1 by 2. We have found out what is Gm. Now we should find out what is R out. Then put Gm and R out into this particular expression to find out or to get the voltage gain expression AB. Let us calculate R out now. Calculation of R out. Now from figure C, for this calculation, M2 is degenerated by the source output impedance 1 upon Gm1 of M1. See, the equivalent circuit for this particular figure is this one. This is nothing but common source stage with a degeneration. M2 is degenerated by the source output impedance, that is 1 upon Gm1. This is with respect to the M1. So this M1 output impedance is 1 upon Gm1 and that is connected to the source of the transistor M2. Now we need to apply the equation of common source stage with the degeneration, the equation with respect to that particular common source stage with the degeneration circuit. See, the source output impedance 1 upon Gm1 of M1, thereby exhibiting an output impedance equal to So let us write that output impedance 1 plus GM2 R02 into 1 upon GM1 plus R02, RO2. You pronounce it as RO2, not R02. This is equal to 2 RO2 plus 1 upon GM1, which is nearly equal to 2 RO2. Now how we have arrived at this particular expression? It is for your reference. The output resistance of a degenerated stage, CS stage, is given by, already we have done it, it is just for reference. R out is 1 plus GM plus GMB into RO into RS plus RO. Neglecting body effect, we have R out is equal to, body effect parameter is GMB. If you neglect that, we get it as 1 plus GMRO into RS plus RO. Now this is with respect to the figure. I will draw the figure which already we have studied. This is RD. We have the transistor. We have the source resistance RS and V in, VDD, and this is the M1 transistor, and through this the current flowing is ID, and from this point we take the output voltage V out. Use this equation with respect to this particular circuit. Now you have to put all the parameters with respect to this circuit. This equation is with respect to this circuit. This is 1 plus GM RO into RS plus RO. Now we will use the same equation with respect to this circuit. Therefore we get it as, with respect to the figure C, we get R out is equal to 1 plus GM RO is with respect to this particular transistor. We have to have with respect to this, since it is M2 transistors, let us write GM2 RO2 multiplied by RS. RS is this resistance. With respect to this figure, it is 1 upon GM1 plus RO. RO is R0, RO2 with respect to the second transistor. This is equal to, let us expand the bracket, 1 upon GM1 plus GM2 divided by GM1 into RO2 plus RO2. These two will cancel out because GM1 is equal to GM2. We get it as 2 RO2 plus 1 upon GM1, which is nearly equal to 2 RO2. So this R out expression is same as this expression what we have written. So to arrive at this expression, you have to use the output resistance of the degenerated CS stage. This is only for your reference. Thus, R out. Now the total output resistance of this final circuit we need to find out. This output resistance is given as R out is nearly equal to 2 RO2 parallel to RO4. Therefore, AV is equal to nearly equal to GM1 by 2. See, AV is given as GM into R out, and GM we have obtained it as GM1 by 2. GM1 by 2 multiplied by 2 RO2 parallel to RO4. If RO4 is equal tends to infinity, then AV tends to GM1 RO2. This is what the expression of the AV.